Hello everyone, welcome back to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to block someone on TikTok. So watch this video till the end. First, open up your TikTok app, then tap on search icon that is on the top right corner of your screen. Type the username you want to block and tap on their name. Once you are on their profile, tap on three dots that is on the top right corner of your screen. A menu will pop up with a lot of options. Tap on block. A pop-up will appear again. Tap on block. So that is how you block someone on TikTok. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon on our channel so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.